Why peptic ulcer occurs along the lateral curvature of the stomach? So this is the stomach, this is the greater curvature of the stomach, and this is the lateral curvature of the stomach, and this is the cardiac orifice, and this is the pyloric orifice. So we know the histological structure of the stomach. The wall of the stomach, it presents four coats, hooded outwards, and these are mucosa, submucosa, muscularis externa, and serosa. So muscularis externa, or the muscle layer, it consists of three layers of smooth muscle, and these are outer longitudinal, middle circular, and inner oblique layer of smooth muscle. So there is inner oblique layer of smooth muscle, and due to the contraction of right free margin of this inner oblique muscle layer, a gastric canal is formed. So this gastric canal is formed from the cardiac orifice to the pyloric antrum. So this is the gastric canal, and it is formed along the lateral curvature. So this gastric canal, it allows a rapid passage of swallowed liquids along the lateral curvature to the lower part before it even spreads to other part of the stomach. So fluid contents, it passes preferentially along the gastric canal without coming in contact with rest of the mucosa. Thus, this lateral curvature, it is subject to maximum insult of irritable liquids and swallowed spicy foods, which makes it vulnerable to gastric ulceration because of the formation of this gastric canal.